Hola amigos, welcome back. My name is Adiola and I'm currently building this 10-unit apartment building in the San Sebastian neighborhood in Centro Merida, Yucatan, Mexico. Now, before we go further, I wanted to let you know that I set up a GoFundMe page to be able to finish this project because it had started as a 4-unit project. But I was like, you know what, I have the space, why not just maximize the space? So I decided to turn it into a 10-unit. And with construction, expenses can come out of nowhere. So that's why I set up the GoFundMe page for those who want to be a part of the project by sponsoring and donating towards the building fund. And I'm going to leave the link in the description and also in the comment section below. Now we are in the 13th week of construction for this particular project, and right now we are working on the stage 1, and towards the end of the week we're going to work on stage 2. Now we have 2 buildings on the units on the property. This unit behind me, this is the second building. Now I'm going to take you on a tour just so you can see what we've achieved so far in the past 13 weeks of construction. All right, let's go. Now this is the entrance, or the entrance right now. You walk in and this is gonna be the first building you encounter, but we call it etapa dos, which is the second stage, because we built this second. We built the other one at the very end first. Now you're gonna walk into your units, and this is gonna be the living room space. Right now it is the storage space and that's the kitchenette, and this is the bedroom. The bedroom is very spacious with a garden space. Look at the garden. Now we're gonna build that wall higher, obviously, and this is the bedroom. 2 windows, very spacious windows. This is the bathroom, and that's the window for the bathroom for ventilation. And here we're gonna put a little garden on that side, so again you can have cross air ventilation. To me that's very important. And last week, week 12, we assembled the beams and the blocks for the roof, so the bovedillas and the bigas. So the bigas are the long concrete slab, and then the blocks are the bovedillas. We assembled those last week, and we're supposed to pour concrete this week, but it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to do that because the plumber and electrician, it's the same guy, he is running behind schedule, and this guy thinks he's doing me a favor. So in the meantime though, we are progressing because there is a lot to be done still. Now that's the first unit, and this is the garden space, right? This is the garden space. So that's the building, and this is the wall, the neighbor's wall. All right, so you're gonna keep walking and you're gonna encounter unit number 2. Again, it's the same, copy paste. That's the kitchenette. This is the bedroom, the living room, and then this is the bedroom. The same layout, the same space, más o menos. And then we have the 2 windows, and then we're gonna have the light switches. So each light switch will control the light, right? So we don't need a bedside lamp. Instead, you can just use your switch to control your side of the bedside lamp. And of course, we're gonna have a ceiling fan. I love ceiling fans. It helps to circulate air. This is the living room, and this is the window for the bathroom. All right. And again, you come out of your unit, and then you have the garden space here. Just imagine a garden space. And yeah, so it's a covered walking pathway because there's gonna be a second floor. And this is, so on this side, the first building, even though we call it stage 2 etapa dos, it only has right now it has 2 units, but we're gonna build 2 more on top of it, and it'll be 4 units on this side. And now we're gonna keep walking, and we have that well, which is the reason why we're separating the buildings. So right now this is the first building. We call it etapa 1 because we started building it before building the other one that you just saw. As you can see, we started building the second floor, as you can see. And you walk in, Again, you walk in and this is the living room space and the kitchenette. Again, the same thing, the same layout, copy paste, the same layout. Now each unit will have its own character when we start with the detailing. Again, the two windows, and then the bathroom with its own window, and then the plumbing fixtures, and so on and so forth. I have to talk to the electrician about that. Yeah, this place is such a mess. All right, now let's keep walking. This is the first unit for this current building, and then you have this coconut tree, beautiful coconut tree. And here it seems like here the land opens up, it widens up. So here we have more garden space. Look at it. More garden space, very wide. Although here we're gonna put a swimming pool, so it's not gonna be as wide as you're looking at right now. All right, you walk in, again the same thing. You have the kitchenette, you have the living room space, and then you have the, okay, I have to find something here. And then you have the bedroom, and then the bathroom, and then here we have the garden. Again, like I said, the fence will be raised. It will be raised, definitely. Definitivamente sí. Okay, I have to talk to the plumber to fix it this week. Or I'm just thinking out loud here. Now let's go to the third unit. Now remember, the other building has 2 units, but it will be 2 floors, so it will be 4 units. This building has 3 units, it will be 2 floors, so that's 6 units. Now it's more like 2.5 units because this unit, it is a studio apartment. So you walk in and it is just the living room, and then you have like the entryway here. You have the kitchenette. The kitchenette seems a little bit wider. The bathroom definitely is very big. This is the bathroom, and again it has its own window on that side. All right, and again this is the garden space. Right, like I said, that side we're gonna put like a barbecue area, like an outdoor cooking area. We're gonna put a swimming pool and maybe a basketball court on that side. Like it'll be a multi-purpose space, multi-uso. Now that is it. This is the coconut, and now I'm gonna take you guys upstairs because I have to go up a ladder, which I have to ask the workers for because I think they are using the ladder upstairs. So I have to go up the ladder and then show you what we are working on right now on this floor. Right, again it's the same layout. We're gonna finish this one first before we now go to the other one. As you can see right now, we don't have the second floor yet for the other one because we need to finish this. All right, now welcome to the second floor of the first building. We call this current building that I'm in Etapa Uno, meaning stage 1, because we have 2 separate buildings on the same property, right? So this is the first building, and this is the second building. We call it Etapa Dos, meaning stage 2. So for stage 1, as you can see, we have the 2 floors, and it is still under construction. So we have the mason here, and he is adding more blocks because we need to finish off with this floor between this week and next week. So we still need to add about 3 more lines of blocks on that side and on this side as well, and then we need to open up that window over there. And this is the bathroom area. This is the bedroom area. So it's the same layout, the same size as the bedrooms and the living rooms downstairs. It's just that this is the second floor, so it looks a little bit different with more breeze and more views. So this wall will go up higher, and yeah, so each bedroom has 2 windows, and then the living room has 1 window, as except from this particular unit, which has 2 windows, and that's because there's nothing obstructing it. You have the next building right there, so it has this window and that window, and that's the entrance. And this is the kitchen. Now let's go so that is my neighbor's dog that's always barking. All right, so now, and the albañiles, he put up the cross for safety and for protection. And all right, so let's keep walking. So this is still the bedroom. I think I'm gonna build this window a little bit higher. We'll see. So this is the passageway to walk into your unit, and right here we are in the second unit. Again, you walk in the same layout, copy paste. That's the kitchenette. This is the bathroom. This is like the foyer or the entrance way, and then you walk in and this is the bedroom. Again, the same layout. This is the bedroom, and we have the two windows. All right, and we have the bathroom. Very spacious bathroom, very generous space. And the plumbers and electricians, they decided to take the day off today because they were supposed to be working today, Monday. So we are a little bit behind when it comes to plumbing and electrical work. We are a little bit behind, and I don't like when they do this. Like, stop putting trash in my walls. All right, so now let's keep walking. Let's go to the third unit, which is the studio apartment. We keep walking, and this is the final unit. It is the studio apartment. And again, you walk in. It's a little bit different but similar. That's the kitchenette, that's the bathroom, and this is like the living space, meaning the bedroom on that side, and this is like the entrance. So there's no living room here. Your bedroom is your living room and everything. So we figure it out with furnitures, and it only has one window, but a very big window. And the bathroom also, we have a window, and the bathroom for the studio is very big. I'm like, whoa, the bathroom is so big, guys. All right, so this is it. These are the three units that we have on the second floor, and it is the same downstairs as well. And this is like the garden space. This is the garden space for the tenants to use. And we have this lime tree. This lime tree, I need to trim it more, because what happened was this property was abandoned for many years, and I think there was a parasitic plant that was growing. It was growing around it, so we have one of the branches, or a few of the branches left over. So that's why this tree, it looks half dead and half alive, right? So one side is alive and the other side is dead. But I just need to trim it, and then it'll regrow. But that's that's at the very end. All right, so these guys are bringing up blocks because we need more blocks to finish the job. Yeah, it's a heavy labor job, heavy labor. All right, so that is it. Remember, I'm going to leave a link to the GoFundMe page below in the comment section, and also in the description box below, where you can donate towards the beauty fund. I would definitely appreciate it. And if you have any question for me, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can also schedule a consultation with me if it's something very specific. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.